How does affiliate marketing work? Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Marketing, and welcome to my channel where I show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing with honest reviews, tips and training every week. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button. So how does affiliate marketing work? Well, it's simply you recommending a product or a service that you have used or tried or tested out to someone else who then clicks on your link and makes a purchase, and then you receive a commission from the vendor or the product creator. So why should you actually get into affiliate marketing? Well, it's one of the easiest ways of making money online because you don't have to actually create a product or source a product or manufacture something or have a steep learning curve. You don't even have to have great knowledge in the product that you're recommending. Yes, I suggest that you use it and actually try to use it, but you don't need to have such great knowledge in it, nor are you dealing with customers, nor are you dealing with sales, nor are you dealing with any of the taxation and legalization issues other than paying for tax on any commissions that you actually earn. So why do vendors and product creators want affiliates? Well, it's simple. It's a cheaper way of a customer acquisition for them. They only pay for the customer that they've acquired once that customer has actually purchased something from them. Their payment is the commission to you. Whereas if they do direct advertising, they've got to pay for the advertising beforehand, and there's no guarantee that they're going to get a customer from that advertising. Also, they might have a wider net with affiliates. Affiliates might be promoting their product on different networks and different areas and to different customers that they've never even thought of. So in that case, it's a win-win situation. And the customer likes it too because they're not paying any extra for it. The commission comes from the total sales price. So what do you need to do to start actually being an affiliate? Well, you need to decide on a niche and what products you want to actually promote, and make sure that those products have an affiliate program. And yes, most products do. Either you contact the company directly or they have their product on certain affiliate platforms like Amazon, like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Share a Sale, Commission Junction, or Trade Doubler. There is loads of them out there for any niche. And no, you don't have to do it in the make money online niche because, like I say, there's just so many of them out there. If you watch some of the makeup YouTubers, they recommend makeup and there'll be certain companies that they recommend it from. If you watch people that do car wrapping, they'll have certain products that they use to car wrap, and those products will have affiliate links as well. YouTubers also recommend different products, different cameras, different arms for microphones, different lighting. Artists recommend different iPads and tablets to draw with, different brushes. They might recommend different paints and coloring pencils. You name it, anything can be an affiliate product, and loads of them are out there. Some of them might only have a small commission and some might have a huge commission. And one of the easiest ways is actually digital products. The payout is quite good for them, and a lot of them don't even have a refund period like PLR products. So you know you're going to get paid almost straight away for recommending a product. So the next thing is traffic. How do you actually go about doing it? Now there's two ways. You can do organic traffic, which is free, or you can do paid traffic. Now organic traffic is usually creating some form of content. Now I have done affiliate marketing since July of last year. I've made just over $2,000, but all of it was with organic free traffic, no paid traffic at all. I've also built a list in this specific niche as well. And no, it's not this one, it's another niche. But I wanted to test it out to see if things actually work like they said. And it does. It's great checking your sales stats every day and seeing some sales. And sometimes the sales are only for $2, but they are recurring $2 sales, and then other times I can make $100 in a day, and it all even out. And yes, I only do it part time, but it's all through actually creating YouTube videos and sending out emails. But the YouTube videos are often how-to videos and review videos. So that's how I do it. I don't do any blogging. I'm not that keen on writing, but maybe I should do some blogging. And there's other ways of actually doing it organically. You can be using Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok is very popular, and is one I'm going to be looking into as well. Then you can be doing paid ads. Now, paid ads is probably a lot quicker. And when I talk about paid ads, I'm talking about using advertising platforms like Bing, Google, Facebook, Pinterest, all of those. I'm not talking about solar ads because I don't think solar ads actually work. In fact, you might pay a huge amount of money and not get any return for your money. So let's dig in and have a look at the actual steps that you need to be doing. So one of the simplest ways is actually getting a lot of traffic, putting your link there, and it goes straight to the sales page. But I wouldn't advise doing that. What you should be doing is actually creating a landing page or an opt-in page. And with that landing and opt-in page, you should be collecting leads, and then that becomes your most important asset. And with these leads, you need to then start emailing out, giving both options to purchase the product again or a new product, as well as giving valuable content and information as well. So you can then, once you've got the landing page, once they've opted in, it can directly go straight to the sales page, where the sales page actually sells them the item, and if they purchase it straight away, you earn a commission. Or you can be putting a bridge page in between that says something about thank you for opting into my list, blah blah blah, and then send them onto the sales page. Now, this bridge page one I would do if you are not recommending a certain product from your landing page. So if you are recommending a certain product from your landing page, send them straight to the sales page. But if you're not, say you are giving them a free lead magnet or something that helps them build their business, then you would send them to the bridge page, and then from then on you're still building the business. But how do you do this? Well, you create content either on a blog or in YouTube or boards on Pinterest or something in your Facebook groups or on your Facebook profile or on your Facebook fan page. Same with Instagram, and you can put it in your bio, and there's Twitter as well. There's all the different social media that you can be using to drive traffic, and this is the simple steps. But there is a link down in the description to a free 12-step action plan that will actually walk you through everything in detail in setting up your own online business that is based around affiliate marketing. It teaches you everything, and not just this way of sending traffic straight to a landing page and then to a sales page. It talks about actually setting up your web page correctly, what social media accounts you should focus on, YouTube, how you should be going about YouTube to actually be creating your business, and the link for that will be down in the description. But this is how affiliate marketing works, and it is one of the income streams that I actually have in my own online business. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified about any other videos I make, any other trainings and honest reviews and tips that will help you grow your affiliate marketing business.